Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today you're probably wondering what my video is going to be about, and I have Cooky here, and from this you could probably tell what video I'm going to film today. So I have recently bought the BT21 Cooky Character set, and I'm going to box it for you guys today. So first, before I ordered the box, I ordered another package, and this package I ordered cookie keychain. So I'm gonna box it and show you what's in it. Oh my god, it's so cute! Look at it! Oh, it's a cute little charm. Oh, I could hang this on my house key. Oh, that's cute. Yes. Oh, wow. I love it so much. Oh, thank you. Okay. That was a small package. So, now for the big package. So, I have ordered this box, and I'm going to cut it open and show you what's inside. So, wow, this is my first unboxing video. First time using scissors like these, so I guess this is kind of how you're always supposed to open like packages, you know, when you put scissors like this and then kind of cut. Okay, now let's cut the sides as well. Okay, there. Now I'm going to open this and show you what's inside. Okay, so, oh my god, no way. Oh my god, it's a cookie like cushion. Oh, it's so cute. Oh my god, so flat. Wait a minute, it's a cushion, but like, I don't want to sit on here. I'm like, could I possibly use that as like a pillow with like my other cookie? Like, we go like this, like, no, it's way too fat. Gonna have to find a use for this, but this is actually so cute. Oh my god. Oh my god. Guys, I'm seriously like fangirling right now. This is like, oh my god. Okay. Let's just move on to the next package. Or next item. So the next item we have on our list is, it's a cookie bag charm. Oh, so cute. Usually when I get like bag charms like these, I don't usually put on my backpack because I lose them. So I'm gonna have to find use for this, like maybe like this way on a shelf or something, you know, because I don't want to leave these stuff hidden. I want to like display them for a reason. Wow, it's cute. Okay, and that was our second item. Our third item is, oh, this is really cute as well. Oh man, I'm gonna say the word cute a lot in this video unless I can think of another word. It's a decal sticker, and it's like, it's such a nice pink. Usually I thought it would come black, but this is so cute. Oh man, I gotta find a use for this. This is adorable, insanely. Just look. Oh my god, I'm in love. I am in love. Like, the deeper I go, the better the stuff get. Like, love it. Oh look, we got some station in here as well. So it looks like I got some cookie sticky notes. Oh man, these are really adorable. They're pink, and it's like a tiny little cookie like peeking out. Oh man, I really hope I use these, because if they're too cute, if something's too cute, I won't use it. Like, I literally will not use it. I'm so weird. Okay, next item. Oh my god, these are like puppy stickers. Oh my god, so cute. my god, my mind is blown. Like, this is like probably the best package I've ever received because I barely order any packages. But when it comes to BTS or like BT21, I'm so in. Yes. Oh my god. Yes. I love his eyebrow, like that arrow eyebrow. So cute. And once again, I have to find a use for these ones as well. Okay, next item. No way. They got me a freaking cookie. I believe this is kind of like a balloon, and it appears there should. Oh wait, here's the stick for it. Oh god, it's hard to get in. Oh, I believe it's the other way. Very funny. Oh god. Wait, so where do I blow this thing? Like, what the? I'll figure it out. But it's a freaking, like, balloon. Oh my god. Oh, I'm gonna need someone to help me blow this up because I can't blow balloons, honestly. This is so freaking cute. Oh my god. I love this. Okay. Now, the next item. I believe there should be about like 7 or like 8 items in here. They didn't really say like how much items are in here, but we'll see. Next item. Okay, I seriously wanted to order one of these, but it would have cost like $20. But they know me so well. Oh my god. I'm actually surprised they didn't give me like another cookie pillow, because if they did, I would have had 2. I probably would like would have kept it, or probably like give it to someone as like a birthday gift, you know, or like sold it online or something. But I'm so happy. Oh, they got me a freaking cookie bag. They got me a freaking cookie bag. Holy cow. Oh my god, this was so worth it. I love the color, like, oh my god, I think my new color is gonna be like pink, like the cookie, like, oh my god. Guys, this is my new school bag. I'm gonna use this instead of my Herschel bag, you know, I'm like, totally gonna use this for something. Oh wow. I really need to go to the Lion Friend store sometime this summer. Oh my god. So happy. Oh my god. I love it. Oh. Okay. So here's the close up. Okay. It seems like we still have like 2 more items, so I'm gonna show you the next item. Oh my god. This is a cookie pencil, guys. Oh my god, it's so cute. And like, I feel like, I'm not sure this is a quote, but it always says like pinkish tough bunny. That's cute. That's real cute. Oh my god. Man, I already have a pencil case though. And this seems pretty big for a pencil case, but maybe I like put makeup. Oh, I don't use makeup either, but I'll once again find some use for this, because like I cannot not use it. I know when people buy these merch, they don't use it at all. They like just like display it somewhere, but like I seriously want to like find out what to do with all these. Like, so cute. Oh my god. Okay, just leave that over there. Well, actually it looks like we only have 1 more item left. I have to count how many items they gave me. The last one is, it's a folder! Oh my god. Look at it. It's like Cookie here, like reading the Shookie. And then them falling asleep. Oh, that's so cute. I kind of feel bad for Shookie because Cookie usually eats Shookie, you know? Because he's so small. I love how they're best friends. Oh my god, I love these characters. I'm literally so glad like they exist. Like, I love them. I so gonna use these. So, anything else? Oh, nope, that's pretty much it. Wow. That was totally worth it. So that is pretty much my unboxing. I hope you guys enjoy. I am in love with all these items and hoping to buy the next BT21 Cooky Character set because overall, you now know I'm probably only gonna get the Cooky Character set. I like the other characters as well, but Cooky, as you can see from my BT21 posters, I have a lot. I'm like, actually, only those ones. I love them all, but Cooky or Jungkook is my love, and I want to marry him. I love him so much. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Sorry it took so long to film this, but I needed to find some time alone and quiet to film this. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe, comment, like, anything, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!